Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. This time I'm not doing a shaving video, but I decided to do a really quick unboxing. I have a package here that just arrived. This one comes all the way from Germany. I didn't see many unboxing videos of this. When you hear Germany, you may already know this is a hardware and this is a brush coming from Wald Shaving. So I'm excited. I already have cut here most of the side tapes. Top label really carefully. I'm very excited about this one. Wald brushes, you know them, they're premium priced, premium looking, delivering premium experience overall, as you know if you talk to someone who owns one of these brushes. I just opened the box and I want to show you here. Oops, almost dropped it. Hard to hold it. One real quick personalized note from Yannick from Wald over here, and you can see this cool looking card. That's really nice. Yeah, Yannick is awesome, by the way. I was lucky enough to catch one of the spots for the customized order. Wald, they're releasing either brushes that are already made and you can order them directly and he'll ship them in a few days, or you can order one open slot for order, and this way you have some input and you can discuss with Yannick what do you want, what type of color, what type of shape, what type of knot, and you can customize your brush. Nice premium presentation from the get-go with personal touch, which is appreciated. I love when artisans spend the extra time to add a note. And over here, probably you saw, you can see the Wald logo. I'm trying not to ruin it. Hopefully it's not too noisy on the mic. You can see a glimpse of his logo. Alright, I'm gonna bring it out, save you the paper noise. And before I show you, just apologize that I'm recording here. I was planning to do this outside, but today it was raining just until a couple of minutes ago. Now there is some sunshine trying to sneak through the skylight here in the bathroom. And this is the box that it's wrapped in, that cool looking black paper inside that you saw. Hopefully it wasn't too noisy because my mic is very sensitive. But yeah, that's cool. I'm excited to open this. I know that this specific design, it's the first one that he made. Okay. Needless to say, as you can see, very premium looking, stylish box with a magnet. Another look over here. I'm gonna get the first peek at it. Oh boy, that's gorgeous. Actually in person, because Yannick sends photos before he sends the brush, in person actually looks way better. Take a look at this one. And I'm sure that the camera doesn't do justice to it, but you can see it here sitting. Gorgeous looking in-person brush. Let me put this one on the side. Here we have the Nimbus shape, and as you can see, that's the purple pour, and the light just doesn't do justice on the camera. It's very cool looking in person. The pattern is way more visible of the purple color playing all around, and that gold vein looks really cool. And at the bottom we have the Wald logo. Nimbus shape, as I mentioned. The knot is his A1 synthetic knot, visible here at the bottom, and the shape of the knot is the hybrid shape. I think that it looks really cool, and boy, this is so soft. It's like a cloud. No smell, of course. Synthetic, and look at the knot on top. How dense This looks great, feels great in the hand, gorgeous stuff. Thank you again, Yannick. That's phenomenal work. It's just so cool looking. I'm happy that this is finally here. And yeah, the color, the purple with the gold vein, I think that, yeah, it ended up way better than what I was expecting. Look at this. Really, really cool. Yeah, Yannick was kind enough to answer a lot of my questions. I was wondering between few options that I've seen online in photos. He was very, very kind to answer all my questions, and yeah, to make something that I would love. And here it is. And it's, as I mentioned, better than what I expected, and I look forward to my first shave with it. That's pretty much all. Thanks for joining me for this video. I'm excited to try this brush, and maybe I'll take you for my very first shave with it. And until then, stay safe. Take care.